Okay guys, this is going to be a small update on the detailing of the inside of the roundhouse, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, here's the inside of the roundhouse with the details in it. Let me see if I can zoom in some. Of course the track is not in there because it's out on the layout. I will show you in a minute that engine inspection stand there. The rest of these details are Model Tech Studios pre-painted. And the Woodland Scenics train workers. I did get the windows in up above. I used 3 stick-on Woodland Scenes lights. I need to do something with that wire back there when I get the roof put on, or when I put the roof on. But you can see that this will be about the angle that you'll see it on the layout. So I think there's plenty of detail in there to show off the inside. Now I'm going to turn the lights on and let you look down in it, how it looks from the top. Okay, here's a look without the roof. Now, for that work stand in there, this is the kit. It's a German kit, and I am not real positive, but I think that you might be able to find this kit on RS Laser's site. I bought it from him. This gentleman is a friend of his in Germany, and he was selling these kits at the convention. The kit is a paperboard material. It went together extremely well. I had no problems putting it together, including the steps, which I think you might be able to see there. Let me see here. The grading and the steps looks real good. So basically that's the finishing touches on the roundhouse, and I hope you guys enjoy how it looks, and we'll see it the next time out on the layout. Okay everybody, as you can see, this is a little afterthought, but I'm posting this video on the Mike Pfeiffer channel, but I wanted to I guess I never have thought to tell you guys that I have another channel, and it's called the N-Scale How-To channel. A lot of you do know about it, and some of you don't know about it. If you want to see more about how I modified this this Kato Roundhouse, you need to go over to the N-Scale How-To channel. It is the most recent video over there, and it's on, I think, how to modify the Kato Roundhouse, something of that nature. I don't remember the exact title. But nevertheless, I just want to let you guys know, and like I say, as an afterthought here, and I will do it again in other videos just to remind everybody, that you can also visit the N-Scale How-To channel. And it has all of the, as titled, how-to things that I've done, or how-to videos I've done. Not necessarily on the layout here, or information on the layout here, but how I've done things that I have done in the past. So anyway, I invite you over there if you want to see more on this roundhouse, and thanks for watching today. Well gang, this was a real short one, but thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed the video today. And as usual,